Today we will discuss how to find centroid of the plane figure with the help of integration. And this centroid which belongs to mechanics, engineering mechanics, and this is the very important for engineering mechanics, that is for engineering or other courses which belongs to this subject, that is engineering mechanics. Now how we will find the centroid, how will we find centroid of the plane figure using integration. Centroid of plane figure, centroid of plane figure with the help of integration. Now we will discuss the problem, how we will find the centroid using integration of this figure. The problem is determine the centroid. Determine the centroid of the plane area bounded by the curve y equal to kx square between the x-axis and coordinate x equal to a. Now this figure we can draw. This is the solution. So now we will start the solution. How we will the centroid of this figure determine. This figure is now this is the figure. So we will find the centroid of this original figure. Now this centroid of this figure is like maybe this point. So this is the coordinate. Now coordinate of this centroid of the original figure is xc, yc. Now for finding the centroid of this original figure, we will drawing a strip vertically. First of all, vertically drawing a strip, this strip, which is this strip and this strip. With the help of this strip, we will find the centroid of the original figure. First of all, for finding the centroid of this original figure, that is xc, yc, first of all we find the centroid of this strip. Say strip on this portion, because this is the very small strip and this is the curve. This is actually not curve, because in the language of mathematics, when this strip is very small, that is here this will be not curve, only a rectangle. So the centroid of this strip will be at the midpoint here. That is, this strip is distance from is x, and this strip here to here is length. Therefore centroid is from here to here is y by 2. Okay, from the formula of integration, x equal to integral x dA by integral dA. Here x means this x is the denote, this x is denote x coordinate of the centroid. X coordinate of the centroid of strip dA. This is the x coordinate of the centroid of the strip dA. Now what will be the area of this? And this is the area dA, and this distance is dx. Okay, that is, this coordinate is from here to here. This is your yc, and this is your xc. Now this is the centroid, originating centroid C. So for 500 dA, what will be the dA? Now value of dA is area of this strip, that is length y with dx multiplied by the length of this, that is y dx, and therefore xc will be integral, and x, what is the x? X is the x coordinate of this strip. Here x coordinate of this strip is x, that is x y dx by integral y dx. What is y? The value of y is, this is the curve y equal to k x square. So therefore integral x, and this strip is from this strip, and from using this strip is from 0 to a, because this strip, this area will be from 0 to length 0 to this coordinate, that is from, will be moved from 0 to a. Then the total figure will come, that is x y dx. Y means k x square dx by integral k x square dx, and the limit of x will be from 0 to a, integral 0 to a, integral 0 to a. Equal to now x equal to integral 0 to a kx cube dx by k integral x square dx 0 to a equal to x to the power 4 by 4 0 to a by integral by x cube by 3 0 to a equal to x to the power a to the power 4 by 4 a cube by 3, that come a by 3a by 4. So this is the x coordinate of the centroid of the original plane figure, and in the same way we will find the y coordinate of the originating plane figure, and this will be when y coordinate, and this will be y, when we find the y coordinate of this centroid, the y, this is y and this will be y, also y coordinate of this, y coordinate of this strip dA, y coordinate of this strip dA, and this will be the y, and this is also, and integral dA will be same, dA is y dx. What is the y coordinate of this strip? Y coordinate means this is the rectangle type. Therefore centroid of this strip will be like at the midpoint of this length. From total length is vertical is y of this strip. Therefore at the midpoint of this centroid is y by 2 of this strip, y by 2. Therefore putting the value of y by 2 multiplied by dA equal to integral y by 2 dA means y dx divided by integral y dx. That's come in yc equal to integral y square dx by integral y dx. That's come half y square means k square x to the power 4 dx by integral kx dx, and here the limit of the integration will be here, since dx, that is variable, is x, that is x will be moved from 0 to this point, because the area of the original figure from here to here, and this is limit from 0 to a. Okay, this is limit from 0 to a, because its coordinate a comma b, so from limit will be 0 to a, also 0 to a. So therefore this will be equal to half k square x to the power 5 by 5 0 to a by k x square by 2 0 to a equal to half k a to the power 5 by 5 2 by a square equal to x square, this will be x square, therefore this is x cube by 3, therefore this will be the 3 by a cube, therefore 3 by 10 k a square, and this is the y coordinate of the, this is the y coordinate of the center of the plane figure. Therefore coordinate xc comma yc equal to 3a by 4 comma 3k a square by 10. This is the coordinate of the centroid of the figure, and this will be the answer. This is the centroid of the plane figure, and this is the required answer. And in this way we will find the centroid of the plane figure. Okay, this is much for today. Next class will be later.